Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to pay your Capital One credit card bill. Open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see your Capital One 360 checking account and Capital One credit card. Click on your Capital One credit card. On this screen, you will see a tab that says Make a Payment. Click on Make a Payment. Once you click on Make a Payment, a pop-up window will appear. On the pop-up window, you will see another Make a Payment tab. To continue, click on the Make a Payment tab. On this screen, you need to enter the required payment details. Since we're going to pay our Capital One credit card bill, the payment to account will be automatically selected as the Capital One credit card. Then in the Pay From section, select the bank account you wish to pay from. In this video, I selected my Bank of America account. After that, choose the pay on date, whether the earliest payment date, due date, 13th of each month, or different date. Click on the pay on date you wish to select. Lastly, select the payment amount. To select the payment amount, click on Choose Amount. On the Choose Amount screen, you will see different options whether to pay the last statement balance, current balance, last posted payment, minimum payment, or other amount. Click on the option you wish to select. After selecting the amount, follow the on-screen instructions and prompts to complete the payment. That's how you pay your Capital One credit card bill. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.